This is Singapore Orchard Road. I'm going to explore some more today, so let's go. Inside Lucky Plaza right now. It seems like a family oriented mall here with some shopping and dining. Inside Lucky Plaza right now. They have quite a number of shops here. This is only the first level, and look at that. There's still a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. We are approaching the Paragon Mall right now. It's a 5-star shopping experience, and opposite later I'll go and check out the nearest city, Takashimaya. This is Paragon, the first level. All the shopping boutiques, it looks so modern and so classy that you like to go one round, but then be warned, it's quite cold here, so wear a jacket or some long t-shirt or t-shirt. All the big brands, designer brands are here, Miu Miu, Versace. As I'm walking along the main atrium, I saw a pair of jet lions. And not only that, there's an art gallery here. Oh, look at that, it looks like the Mr. Bean, right? Wow. This dog look like from Snoopy, right? And then guess the price of the smaller dog is actually US 17,000. Art lovers should come here, lots of exhibits. There's a famous 3 people statue right here, overseeing the Takashimaya and the artificial flowers right outside the Paragon. I just crossed the road from Paragon, and guess what? Well, time to buy some ice cream. The Zhan Ye and the last crowd here. Inside Takashimaya right now, this level sells cosmetics and perfumes. There's an OSIM here, right here at level 1. This is the UZ Warm. There's the U40 Delight. Lots of little snacks here and there. There's some local street food here, the pineapple tart, the street food of Singapore, and you guys may want to try it. $28. I start with between the pork right here. And more pork selection right here. Prices. So the Yakun Kaya Toast coffee store in 1944. The bakery right here inside the shop. Come check out the nice fountain right here, the Takashimaya. There's a shop beauty and fashion fair right here. Takashimaya, they always have some kind of fair every weekend, so do check out. And come and check out the stuff here. Takashimaya. They even sell the sporting shoes, bags, and even perfumes and lots of stuff. Walking toward the Somerset MRT direction with their more malls, and check out. Alright, there's a Rosie store here. It's the first time I heard of this store. So I'm gonna check out the Rosie pop-up store in the corner. Rosie store. I think the celebrity is from Korea. And by the way, there's a shop called Lai Chan, which sells a lot of the traditional Chinese chow-sam. Look at that, so much collection. This is just the second level of Mandarin Gallery. You can take some selfies here, and also the crowd below. Right here will be the Senior Leisure. It's quite an old mall actually, but they recently revamped it. The Starbucks now and the McDonald's. There's a H&M opposite. I'm going to cross over and check out the new mall. Going forward to the 313 Somerset and check out. This will be the Orchard 313 Somerset Mall. And it's directly connected to the Somerset MRT, and also there's a Orchard Central Mall right in front. Alright, there's a Vietnamese restaurant called Mr. Pho. 2 sandwiches bun for only $12. Okay, but the price is really expensive compared to buying the sandwiches in Vietnam, because in Vietnam, wow, this banh mi with the meat, right? It just costs like maybe $2 Singapore, but here it's like 6 times, more 5 to 6 times. Look at $10.80. Orchard Central is just right in front. I'm at Orchard Central. I'm going to check out the Yochi frozen yogurt just in front. I'm right now standing near the Yochi frozen yogurt. There's a super long queue right here. You can see this is only the starting, but at the back there's still people lining up. I think it will take about 45 minutes to get the yogurt that they want. It's a super long queue now at the Yochi frozen yogurt. This is incredible. And the more queues behind. So basically you can mix and match the ingredients and then get the cashier and also choose to dine in. There's a sitting area by the not many tables. Now the Orchard outlet of this Yochi frozen yogurt is a newly opened branch. So check out the crowd and the yogurt. There's a long queue here. So after mix and match the ingredient, customers will queue here and then after payment they can eat the tables here and take away. There's a member club here, join the Chi Club. $1 for $10 spend, 10 points free, $10 Yochi. You can scan to download the app and 20% discount for signing up. So this Yochi address 1A1 Orchard Road 0106, telephone number, website, and web here right here. And after that they can like stand near the store and just eat the yogurt because there's no seats here. The nearest subway station will be Somerset MRT, and from there walk here about 8 to 10 minutes. It's a good way to save your memories by taking a selfies after you buy the yogurt, especially it stands just right in front of the store here, the Yochi. By the way, the name Yochi sounds easy to remember, and they started wearing the Yochi t-shirt, the foreigners, and more selfies now. I estimate about a few thousand cups of Yochi are sold every single day from the time they open until they close. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can get to watch this video. Thanks very much. Oh man, the queue is just getting longer and longer. The dumb time is 9:40 PM and look at the crowd. I wonder if the shop closed at 10 PM, then these people will be like sad and disappointed because they cannot get to buy the ice cream in time, the yogurt in time. And they'll come back maybe tomorrow, day after, tomorrow is more crowded, it's Sunday. It's not difficult to find the shop because firstly there are so many people here queuing up for something. Secondly, you can see the sign Yochi, and then you can see the Henry chocolatier shop, and also a fusion right here. It's a kind of sporting shop. And more is coming. Alright, the staff is actually calling out the customer and then asking to join the Chi Club. And I saw customers sitting on the floor to eat the Yochi yogurt because they're just too tired from all the standing and the waiting.